Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you this fun watercolor trimming the tree card. Here is my watercolor trimming the tree card. This is the trimming the tree bundle, currently available in September until the end of September. The dies will go away. Trimming the tree stamp set will still be available, but the dies are amazing. You have 6 bows, small bows, 2 large bows, 6 ornaments, 5 stars to cut out. You've got 3 different kinds of labels. You have this tree that cuts out the details in that stamp tree, as well as this cuts out the outline of the tree, and then a smaller tree to stamp out, a couple of pots to put your tree in, as well as ornament shapes to cut out your little ornaments, and this little fun bit of texture that you can put on your card. Okay, so I did a watercolor background to start with, and I used Coastal Cabana ink and a water painter. And I like to start by dropping some drops of water on my paper and just kind of spreading it around. And then I'm gonna let the color just spread and do its thing. Get this wet. And then as I add the color, the water can just spread it for me. And then last but not least, I'm gonna move this out of the way. I'm just going to go ahead and flick some of the ink on there. Super fun. So I've set the other piece aside to dry, and I'm going to do another watercolor wash on this piece of shimmery white. And I want to get the whole page wet this time. So I'm just adding a ton of water everywhere because I'm going to use this to cut out my trees. So I'm going to start with some Pear Pizzazz. I'm just going to try and drop it and let it spread. Just do little circles of it. And then I can add in some Coastal Cabana color. All right, I did this background earlier, so it's all dry and I can layer it on my Coastal Cabana. Okay, now that this is mostly dry, I'm just gonna add some flicks to this as well. So I'm gonna grab some of this dark, squeeze a little bit more water, and it's just fun. Okay, while we're letting this dry again, we will stamp the sentiment in Bermuda Bay. And we will cut that out using this label die right here. So we'll do a small tree right here. And we need 2 large trees. So here's one of the large trees. Isn't that fun with all that multicoloring on it? Here's a small tree, and we'll run it through one more time for our last large tree. All right, so we have our pieces right here, and I kind of think I want to add a little bit more color to them with the Bermuda Bay. So I'm gonna line these all up together, and I'm gonna use some Bermuda Bay. Okay, so now we will put the card together. So I'm just going to put some dimensionals on these. Last of all, I would like to add some of these adhesive back sequins. I think they are just super gorgeous. And I'm gonna add the Coastal Cabana ones. And that is my watercolored Trimming the Tree card, which is part of my card kit that you'll get when you purchase the Trimming the Tree bundle using my current host code. Just email me to let me know that you would like this Trimming the Tree card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching this video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time.